In last lecture, we have created function addFunds, which is solely responsible for adding Ether into the smart contract. So we can make a transaction with this function and we can specify value which will be transferred into the balance of a smart contract. In this lecture, we'll continue with this and I would like to show you some interesting things. Okay, so first of all, let's make a transaction, just normal transaction with the Web3 library, and let's specify the function signature as the data. Okay, so I don't need to create an instance of a smart contract, nothing. I will show you that just with the specifying normal transaction, I can call this function. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go to terminal. Let's write here, just write it down, running Travel console. I don't need to create any instance of my smart contract, but I just can send here web3 send web3 ETH send transaction. All right, object curly brackets, and we'll specify here from. This will be account 0. Okay, that's the first account. You know that we have accounts available here. Okay, that's account 0, and then we'll specify here 2. This will be our contract address. So let's go to faucet JSON, not JSON, but to Ganache, and let's copy here address. By the way, I have here balance already 5 ETH because I've been doing some tests after the lecture. So you should see here probably from the last lecture you have a 2 ETH, right? Okay, so let's copy this address. So we are making request transactions from this account to this account, and all right, it was automatically sent from me for some reason. Okay, I need to start over. Okay, maybe I just do something wrong. Okay, so from to, now it's already filled up. This is our account address. Let's write here comma, and let's specify here now data. And the data will be the function signature you would like to execute. Okay, so I'll specify here as the data. Let me see. Okay, let's go to browser. Let's write here Quetzal 256. We need to get this hash version of it, and we have a function add funds, the signature of the function. Don't forget brackets, and here is we need to get 4 bytes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This. Okay, I specify here 0x is hexadecimal and comma now. Okay, 0x8 to 6759 CB. That's a 4 bytes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. Now let's specify here value in the way. Okay, so we need also formatter for this. So ETH to way, and let's transfer, let's say 3 Ether, so 3. Let's copy this value. And let's paste it now. Let's press enter. Okay, it's done. And let's go to Ganache. Let's click here on the transaction contract, faucet. And I have a 3 ETH more. So in the contract, I have balance now 8. I have before 5. And here we have a transaction that has been made. The last one, I will click at this transaction. Okay, transaction data. You can see it was sending, it was calling function. Wait a second. Is it really this function? We are sending 3th. Okay, it's the last one in the list. Okay, it's a this function here. Okay, so the transaction data, you can see here that's the what we have called. The transaction data, that's the signature function. And you can see here function we have called was addFunds. The value here we have sent was 3th, and it was mined in a block of 24 and so on and so on. But important here that we were able to call this function by just its signature. We didn't specify the function name anything because of course we don't even can, because that's what's happening also in the background, that your Truffle or Web3 is specifying when you will provide the ABI, this application binary interface, it will provide a function signature. You are not providing actual function name in the request and the transaction when you are making it to the network. Okay, so that's cleared out. Also, other thing here, let's get this transaction, let's get this function signature. Okay, so let's copy this function signature, this 4 bytes. Let's go to our contracts folder. Okay, so contracts faucet.json, and let's search here for this function. Okay, and I'll be searching for this function in a deployed contract. Okay, so here That's a part of the contract that has been deployed. And you can see here something here when the contract is executed, something is happening with the function here. That's our function signature. And before there, you have instruction 63. 63 instruction means push 4. This means push 4 bytes into the stack. Okay, so this instruction here is push 4 bytes. And this 4 bytes here of the function signature. So in the structure here of the stack, when the smart contract is executed by the EVM in the node, okay, this is what I have been writing here. Okay, this instruction is right. Here 63 and the function name. The function is added on top of the stack, right? So something is definitely happening with the function here when this is executed. Okay, I just want to note this here, and we will take a look on this in more details in the next lecture. Okay, I just wanted to point this out. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it from this lecture, and let's continue in the next one. Cheers!